Very namaskar. Good morning to everyone. My name is P. Manaswini. I am studying 5th class. Honorable HM and respective teachers and elders, my dear friends. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. We fought 200 years with English people. During this time, we memorize your national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Alluri Sita Raju and Bhagat Singh. Anyhow, we got independence and 15th August 1947. In the year 1948, Mahatma Gandhi had been assassinated by Nathuram Godse during prayer time. In this deed, your country is fourth one among advanced countries. They are America, Russia and China. Even now we are facing some national problems like first one, growth of population, second one, illiteracy, third one, untouchability, fourth one, poverty. Your government is solving above problems gradually. Thank you one and all by giving this valuable opportunity and time. Namaskar. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.
Okay, thank you, Amma.